Hey guys, today we'll be working on a 2016 Chevy Equinox. This video will apply to the third generation 2016 models and up. We'll be removing the front cover, so stay tuned. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel today. Work your way to the side of the vehicle. What I recommend is getting inside the car, turning it on, and turn the wheel to one side. Doing this will allow easy access to the bolts on the side of the vehicle. Just makes life a lot easier. After you're finished, pull back the fender liner and remove one 7mm bolt that is facing downwards. It's a little bit tricky to find it at first. Once you're finished with one side, make your way to the other. It is easier again to move the wheel to the other side. After you're finished with both sides, make your way to the bottom and remove the 9 7mm bolts, and you'll also find 2 T15s down there as well. Something worth mentioning, on this particular Equinox I did end up finding one 7mm bolt on each side behind the little fender liner guard on the bottom. Not sure if all of them have this, but just keep your eye out for it. After you removed all the bolts, you are all set to remove that bumper. Go ahead and gently, with firm pressure, pull the bumper back on one side and then make your way to the other side. To avoid scratching the bottom of the bumper or any paint, it'd be a good idea to place some sort of soft item below on the ground, such as a piece of cardboard, a towel, or old blanket. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you do, give it a like. We have tons of videos just like this on the channel. We also have a couple really cool cars on the channel. Definitely check it out, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this DNA Drives video, and hopefully you check out our channel and see what we're all about. Thanks a lot. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.